Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON Tunland. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can manage radio. We can change radio source, volume, station, and below we've got the panel thanks to which you can answer and end the calls, activate voice assistant, and use favorite function. On the left side, we've got the panel thanks to which we can change view of the instrument cluster, navigate through it, activate speed limiter and cruise control. Also, we can cancel the speed limiter or cruise control. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.